U.S. EPA says ADM violated federal regulations after a leak at their carbon capture facility in Decatur. The company says the leak happened because of corrosion with one of their monitoring wells. And they say they've been working with the EPA to fix the problem. Our state capitol reporter Theodora Coulivares is live in our Capitol newsroom. So, Theodora, tell us, what impact has this had on the area?
Well, Jennifer, ADM says that there has been no threat to public health at any point and that the leak was nowhere near any groundwater. But this is renewing calls among some groups and lawmakers in the Capitol to keep these kinds of projects away from one critical water source in central Illinois that nearly 1 million people depend on. When lawmakers in Springfield passed regulations on carbon capture technology, advocates pointed to ADM's carbon capture facility as an example for the benefits of the technology in Illinois. All the while, the EPA says the company violated federal regulations after carbon dioxide leaked into an unauthorized underground layer.
It's another private corporation gambling with our environment and our water.
ADM first discovered the leak in March, but they first detected corrosion in the tubing of one of their monitoring wells 5,000 feet underground back in October. They say it's been plugged and there's no impact to public safety. Still, it's left many with concerns.
What we see, I think, with the ADM leak is the continuing question that many of us have had. Can this be done safely and especially at scale?
Lawmakers want any future carbon capture projects to stay away from the Mahomet Aquifer.
Maybe next time they can think more about the policy before they vote for a bill than, how much they're having to now clean up and hide their tracks after it's become a problem.
The Mahomet Aquifer provides water for nearly 1 million people across central Illinois. In legislation Governor Pritzker signed in July, companies have to provide an alternative drinking source for people if their water is contaminated by a leak. But the Mahomet Aquifer is a sole source aquifer, meaning that there's no alternative water source that would be available to the public.
There's no plan B. And because of that, we have to be very careful about how we treat and what we do in and around the Mahomet Aquifer.
Reporting in Springfield, I'm Theodora Coulivares. Senator Faraci and Senator Rose hope to address this issue when lawmakers return to the Capitol in November for veto session. Reporting live in Springfield, I'm Theodora Coulivares, WCIA 3, your local news leader.